I've been presenting mostly to do with basics. I've taught Microsoft Office Word. I've taught Microsoft Office Excel, PowerPoint, stock of Publisher, that is MS Office 2021, to most of the beginner students. And I think you've seen most of my live videos where I used to engage them. And I still have students in that space. But then I'm actually in a series where I want to start uploading videos to do with programming. And so before I can do that, there is a crash course that I did previously to do with the command line interface. And so today I'll be working on the last video before I can introduce programming language. Those that have been following me on Facebook, something that I'm going to open now, you'd notice that I've got a lot of videos there, and specifically now I just want to search for Facebook right here. Yeah. So I'm searching Facebook. Now, yes, right here, I just want to search for some of the videos to do with the command line interface before we can go into programming. We'll actually start simple because even on my YouTube, there are some intro videos for HTML, and I'll not start from scratch because there I already have some videos. So I'll start from where I ended, just that I got busy on the way. So if you are to go on YouTube, I'm opening YouTube as well here. So for YouTube, you can search, just need to search for medicine ICT solutions, just search for medicine ICT solutions, yeah. And you notice that there are videos to do with some HTML here and other videos. Okay, so medicine ICT solutions has got most of the videos where I did some intros. I was talking about the CMD. There are some videos right here. I'm opening one of the videos from YouTube.
Welcome to my first crash course, and in this crash course I'll be looking at the
Okay,
command
so
line
that's one of the
interface.
videos. That's one of the videos from my YouTube channel, Facebook here. So Facebook, most of the videos that I post are live videos that I highlights from the live videos that I have one-on-one with my students to do with Microsoft Office package. Anyway, all right. So we are testing, and yeah, before I begin to work on these other videos, I just want to make sure that the recording space is set and that everything is well set. Yes. And by the way, I've attached the link for my YouTube right here. So looking at just some programming languages here, I've got some programming languages that I'll be introducing to you from this space. There's Python, there's JavaScript. We'll be looking at something like SQL, Java, there's PHP, and C++. I think these I'll be able to touch. Yeah, before I touch this, I want to introduce you to HTML, CSS, and all that. Yeah, but as you can see, I have a lot of videos to do with the command line interface. And today I'll be working on the last video to do with opening most of the applications, programming. I think I'll be able to use one of the programming languages that is Python, where I did something to do with the terminal, and we'll be able to check some stuff from. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this channel interesting. See you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.